Good day. For our online assessment, we have to use liveworksheet.com. So you type liveworksheets.com, and you can see on the left side the student access. Click student access and use the username and the password that I sent in our line group. For example, I have username like this, and I also use my password. So again, the username and the password, I sent it already in your line group, and click enter. You can see our workbook quiz time. Click it and answer the activity that we have. For example, let me answer the spider is smaller than the butterfly. Answer all the questions, and then when you are done, click finish. That's all. Thank you very much.